everyone, welcome to Sunshine channel. Today we are going to make Manglorean style chicken sukka. Take 15 chilies for 1 kg of chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Any oil, I prefer to take coconut oil here. Fry until 2 minutes. Keep on mixing so that all chilies get fried evenly. The main purpose of frying chili with coconut oil is that it gives different flavor when combined with oil. We all know that as cooking is a chemical reaction. Keep on mixing. Don't let the chilies to get over fried. Mix until the end of the 2 minutes. Do not stop because chilies get burned. You can observe the change in the color of the chilies. The chilies were bright red. Now they are turning to reddish brown. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Keep on mixing for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. Keep on mixing. Add 5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, not coriander leaves, coriander seeds. Coriander seeds has a built-in fragrances. Add bunch of curry leaves. Curry leaves is good for health. Keep on mixing. Don't let any ingredients get burned. Now add turmeric powder. Add 8 garlic. Put all the ingredients into mixer and make a very fine paste. We need a very fine paste. Now fry the coconut. Here we have taken 1 coconut. After fine paste, you should add that coconut into that fine paste. We all know that coconut is rich in oil. Now to make a gravy, add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is a good fat. Most of the people don't use ghee, but ghee is a good fat. Add finely chopped 2 onions. Fry until onions are golden brown in color. Keep on mixing, don't let the onions to get the brown color. Add 3 cinnamons. Cinnamons are good in flavor and also gives it awesome fragrance. Keep on mixing. Add bunch of curry leaves. Curry leaves is good for health. Now add the paste that we have already made. Keep on stirring. Don't let any of the ingredients get burned. Keep on mixing. Boil the gravy for 2 minutes. If the bubble is coming from the center of your gravy, it means that every ingredients are in the right proportion. No need to worry about these things. Add 1 kg of chicken. Mix it well because all the flavors need to be connected to the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of salt for taste.